We'll guide you through how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 11. So if you have already installed the Windows, just go to this Microsoft Edge browser. That is the only browser you have when you install the Windows. Just go to the google.com. And once you go in here, it will directly recommend you to install the Google Chrome. You can either click yes from here, or you can just simply write Google Chrome here. And it will take you to this official website where you can click here. So if this official website show you this error, DNS probe finished NX domain, you can check for this one, which is fast and secure web browser built in yours. Just click on that on directly google.com. And it says here Microsoft Edge runs on the same technology as Chrome with the added trust of Microsoft. So these two companies are competitors of each other. That might be the reason you won't be able to access it on the first website. So just scroll down until you see this one. Go here in here and click on download Chrome, which will show you this message, thanks for downloading. If it still doesn't download, just click on download Chrome manually, and then you should be able to download this. After that, just go to this folder, open file directly from here, click yes. And then it might take you some time to download depending on your system speed. So just sit back and relax until it does. And once the download is complete, it will automatically start the installation process. Now, as we can see that our Chrome is installed, now we can just set it up. For example, if you want to sign in with a particular Gmail ID, you can do so. And the benefit of this is it will record all the safe passwords for you so that it will be convenient for you to log in. So you can mention all of the Gmail details here, and you can simply sign in from here. Now, once you are in there, you can just click on got it. And now whenever you want to log in, you also have the desktop shortcut. Also, you can pin it in the taskbar, just directly holding that and dragging it to the taskbar, or otherwise just right click here and click on pin to start. Now, what to do if you want to make this Google Chrome as default? Because once you are in there, you might want to use every time or access any website with Google Chrome directly. So what you can do is just go to the start menu here and right here settings. Just go to the settings, and once you're in there, just go to this left corner which says apps, and under the apps, just click on default apps right here and just search for the default applications right here, Google Chrome. Just go on this arrow, and as we can see that still the default browser is set for all files to the Edge browser. So if you want to make this Google Chrome as your default browser, just click on set default here. So that might load in all of these link types, but if not, like as we can see here, the PDF is still opening with Microsoft Edge. So if you want to change that, just click here, and you have to manually switch anyway and change it to Google Chrome and click on set as default. So this is how you can change the default settings for all of them. Unfortunately, for some of them, you might need to manually change that. So for example, this one, let's do it again, set this one as default, and now you can see it has changed. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can set and install Google Chrome as your default browser in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, mention down in the comments. And subscribe to our channel for all the amazing tips and tricks that we share on this channel. And I will see you in the next one.